Alright guys, today we're bringing you a smartwatch nylon band. Here's what comes in the box. It's a very nice band. Brings very nice black nylon band. You can see it's very well made. Black and orange. Velcro is very strong. The hook is very well made too. You can see it there. Nice, cool looking. Is the nylon is breathable, so you don't have to worry about messing it up when you go to the gym or go play basketball or do any outdoor activities. You'll be safe. It'll dry up. It's double stitch. The nylon is double stitch. The hooks are double stitched too, so you're not gonna break it. This nylon is nice to your skin, so once you put it on, you'll see that it won't mess with your skin because it's very nice, smooth nylon. So let's put on my watch so you can see how it looks. I don't know if you can. These are for the Ultra Watch. From Ultra Watch 1, 2, and 3, from 49 to 42 millimeters. It will fit all of them. It just fits like a regular band around. Then you just take the Velcro, put it, I think I put it wrong. The Velcro here, turn it, and you're good to go. There you have it. Nice and easy, light, looks cool. Definitely recommend it. It's wide too. It's not nice. It's not like a little skinny band. This is a wide band. It looks cool. It looks manly. It's breathable. You can use it for sports. You can use it to do anything. It's comfortable. So if you're looking for a nylon band that looks good, it's gonna last you a long time. It feels comfortable, light, and you can use it for any outdoor activities, sports, or anywhere just to go out to, because this one is nice and nice enough to take it out when you're going out and everything. So definitely recommend it. Go get your one, and I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching.